Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have a wonderful day today. In this video, I'm gonna share with you another unboxing. This item I got from Hermes website recently, so I hope you can help me decide if I should keep this item or have to return it, because it is very pretty. I saw it on the website and that's why I ordered, but I've been thinking about it for the past few days while waiting for it to arrive. So this is like a true unboxing. I haven't seen it in person. So let's take a look together. Okay, had a hard time opening it. It is a very big box for this item. I think it looks a little deceiving because it is just a small item. Here it is. This is how it looks inside. So they wrapped it pretty well. Okay. And here it is, orange box. Okay, so I'm very excited to see this item because this is gonna be my first time seeing an item like this in person. So this is the receipt. I'm gonna share the price with you later on. Okay, so let's reveal. Look at this. Oh my god, it is so pretty. Okay. Alright. Let me share with you my first impression on this item right here. Very soft, although it is in Epsom leather, but it is soft. It is not smooth, but you know, it's soft to touch. This is Hermes Constance long wallet in the color rose azalea, and it is in palladium hardware with an iconic H in the front. Let me share with you a close look of this wallet. It is so pretty. There's a slip pocket in the back. It has very soft leather inside. It has Hermes Paris made in France. It has Hermes engraved down here. Here is the inside. It has a zipper pocket in the middle with two compartments and one slip pocket here and one slip pocket there. In Swift leather, I think. Very soft. This zip pocket is in Epsom. The card slot is also in Epsom. Let's see how many card slots. 6. So it has 8 on this side and 6 on this side. 2 slip pockets on this side and 1 slip pocket on this side. The zipper pocket in the middle here, we can move it, it's not connected. Yeah, so it's just like my Louis Vuitton wallet. It is so soft. I guess the interior is in Swift leather. You can open and close without creases right here. They are not intact. Yeah, you can see it's kind of a stretch right here. I think because of open and closing. Very thoughtful design. Very pretty. Such a lovely pink, right? What do you think about this wallet? So lovely, right? Although it's a wallet, It is a long wallet, so I plan to use it as a clutch, or I'm gonna style it with the chain. I saw on YouTube people using Hermes necklace to make this wallet into a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag, but I think we can use any type of chain, or I can use with a twirly, not twirly, but a bando. This bando from Louis Vuitton, it is longer than the regular twirly, so I'm gonna try it on. And I saw other people using this with a maxi twirly from Hermes. If I decide to keep this wallet, then I'm gonna get the maxi twirly to make the strap for this wallet and convert it into a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag, because the maxi twirly is longer than this bando from Louis Vuitton. So let's see how it looks with this bando first. For this Constance wallet, I just put it on here, the bando, and make it a strap. So you can see right here, this is how the Constance long wallet on me as a shoulder bag. Yeah, I using bando from Louis Vuitton. If you get a maxi twirly from Hermes, then you can use it as a crossbody bag. Yeah, or you can use it as a clutch. And if you are on Instagram, you can check out inner bag. Yeah, then you can buy the the interior. It is like a, what is that called? A felt organizer, but it is very thin. I haven't purchased it, but I saw it on Instagram. So you may want to check it out if you have something like this, because they sell the piece, the felt organizer, not the organizer, I don't know what it is called, but it is very thin that you can slip in here in the back slip pocket here. Then you can make it a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. If I decide to keep this Constance long wallet, then I definitely order from Inner Bag. I'm not sponsored by them, but yes, I just saw it and would recommend you if you have something like this. Yeah, so I think that is much easier than this bando or the maxi twirly, because it's gonna stay in there even when you open and close. Yeah, the chain not gonna fall apart. I'm not sure if I should keep this piece, although it is very, very beautiful. The color is so lovely. And yes, I'm gonna have my phone in to see if my phone fits in here. This is my old iPhone. I think it is iPhone 7 Plus Max. And this is compared to the wallet. It fits in perfectly. Either that compartment or this compartment. But I don't think I can fit the lipstick. Yeah, because you see how bulky it is already. I never thought of purchasing a Constance long wallet. I was thinking about the shorter wallet, but not this long, because I downsize my bags a lot. So I'm not really into long wallets anymore. But this is more like an impulsive purchase, because I just saw it popped up on Hermes website and clicked add to cart right away, and it was gone after I purchased this piece. Because of that impulsive purchase, I've been thinking about this a lot. I'm not sure if it's worth the price when it is just a long wallet, which I don't really use anymore unless I convert it into a walk, you know, a wallet on chain, or a shoulder bag with a bando, maxi twirly, or a chain with an insert in here. I actually missed the piece that I wanted to get. It is a Constance to-go wallet. Yeah, it has a strap. I'm gonna insert the picture somewhere here that you can see. The color is so lovely. It is in cray and rose gold hardware. It is so beautiful, and it comes with a strap, which I love so much because I think it is very convenient. It can be used as a clutch if you take off the strap, or you can use it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. I think it is very versatile. For this piece right here, it is only 300 less than the other one, but it is considered a wallet, and you have to get more accessories for it, like something like this. Yeah, so I think the other one worth more. So I'm very undecided right now. I'm not sure if I should keep it. I've been thinking about it, but still couldn't make up my mind. Yeah, because the color, it is so lovely. So if you can help me make the decision on this one, if I should keep it or return it. It is so lovely. Anyway, I'm gonna share with you the price so you can see if it is worth it. Okay, so this one is Constance long wallet, rose azalea, and it is 4,800 plus tax. So with the tax, it is more than 5,000, and the other one, it is 5,100 plus tax. So it's 300 more than this piece right here, but it comes with a strap which you can remove and use it as a clutch or as a shoulder bag. So it is more versatile than this piece right here. So I'm not sure. Okay, yeah, so please let me know what you think about this piece right here. And that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment below what you think about this piece right here, or if you think I should return it. Yeah, let me know please. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell below to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week. I also love to have you try my Instagram so we can be friends and share our interests about luxury and lifestyle. I'm looking forward to see you back in my next video. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye bye.